Hello and welcome. This is Pankaj Dubey, and in this session, we are going to talk about software bugs. So, what are the bug? So, any deviation from expected result at the runtime will be called a bug. Any flaw in the given software product is called a bug, and any bug that goes into live and it has a huge impact on the product, then it will be called a failure. So, what are the main reasons of occurring a bug in the product? Incorrect, unrealistic, or ambiguous requirement. That means requirements are not clear, or either it's not practical for a developer to code it, or to anyone who is going to design the product for him it's not practical, or the requirement is not clear. In that case it may lead to a bug. Incorrect or poor product designing. So again the same thing, because the poor product designing, the developer will code in the same way and later it may lead to a bug. Wrong coding, poor coding practices, human factor, and communication failure. So these are the main reasons of occurring a bug in any software product. There are certain tools available in market for the bug management or to raise a bug and chase it. So those are the main tools are HPQC, HP Quality Center, Bugzilla, Mantis, and Jira. So out of all, Mantis is the freeware, and rest of all can be purchased. Here in the next slide we'll see that how to raise a bug, or what points shall we include while raising a bug. So those are the first one is summary. So you should be giving a brief of the bug in the summary. Assign to whom you are going to assign this bug will be will come under assign to. In description section you should give the proper detail of the bug, that what you are performing, and steps to reproduce. What step does the person who has the responsibility to fix that bug has to perform to reproduce the bug. Test data in case if any. Expected versus actual result. That means here you will state that this is the actual result that you are getting from the product, and this is what that you are expecting as per the document. Release name or build number. Environment. You can mention test environment name in case there are multiple test environments like staging environment, live environment, or the QA environment, then you should give it to here. Component, if there are multiple teams involved, then in that case you should be giving component as well. Priority and severity is the must. Priority are like P1, P2, P3 as per the priority of the bug, and severity is something that you can give like blocker, critical, major, minor. So you can assign priority and severity as well. So let's priority is something where priority will be called when the by calculating the impact of the bug on the business level is called priority, and severity is something where you calculate the impact of the bug on application level, so that will be called the severity. So there are different severities like blocker, critical, minor, major, and priorities are like P1, P2, P3. Okay, so let's go to next slide where we'll see the bug life cycle. So once a tester raises a bug, then it goes into the new state by default, and once it is assigned to any particular person who has responsibility of fixing that bug, then it will go in assigned state, and that person will check that whether the bug is valid, and if the bug is valid, then it will the person will fix the bug, or otherwise it will go into rejected, and they'll give the proper reason of why it has gone in rejected state, because maybe that the person has misquoted the requirement, and that is how he has raised the bug. So there could be multiple conditions like rejected, invalid, or duplicate, and in case if it is valid, then it will be fixed, and once the fix will be done, then it will be reassigned to the person who has raised the bug, and that person will retest the bug, and in case if it is fixed, then he'll mark it as verified, or otherwise if still he is facing the same issue, then in that case he'll reopen the bug, and again the same cycle will start from the assigned. Okay, once the bug is verified, then the QA person has the responsibility of closing this bug. So that's what from bug life cycle and from bugs point of view that we have covered in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.